Tuesday or Wednesday from Cleveland Hopkins International Airport, Delta 1487 inbound from Atlanta. We got a bunch of weather in the eastern seaboard, so we got a bunch of diversions that are inbound. Stay tuned for those, as well as a special livery coming in here in a little bit. New York and Washington, D.C. and Philadelphia all getting hit by weather right now, so keep your fingers crossed. I know we got at least one really cool aircraft coming in. We got a diversion inbound, Alaska Flight 18. They are inbound from Portland, Oregon. They were heading to JFK. We got another diversion inbound, United Airlines 560. It's a MAX 9 inbound from Dallas, Fort Worth. They're heading to Newark. We got another diversion inbound, United Airlines 419, 757 inbound from Denver. We got yet another diversion inbound. American Airlines Flight 118, LAX to JFK, A320 inbound. Delta Connection 5242 inbound from LaGuardia. Weather today is quite a bit different than yesterday. We never got the severe weather that was predicted. Luckily, those storms went south. Unfortunately, it does sound like some neighborhoods and some areas got hit. But it is a lot cooler today. We're in the kind of the mid 40s. Had some spotty showers in and out. May even see some snow tomorrow. 2-4 operations today on the airport. Southwest Airlines 6576 inbound from Phoenix. There's still a number of flights holding. There's some more weather that'll be moving into the New York, Boston, Philly area over the next hour or so. But it sounds like they're going to let a couple of the diversions maybe head out. But we'll definitely, we got a special livery inbound. We're going to keep watching. And maybe we'll get lucky and maybe we'll see a heavy today. We got a special livery inbound, Southwest 621. It's Louisiana 1 inbound from Atlanta.
277 to 7 maintain 3000.
A little bit of sun come out for a bit. That's 2698. Showing the seats a little bit. The ground stop in New York has been canceled, so a couple of the diversions are going to head out. We're going to head over to the other side. I think we can get them. We have the Southwest Louisiana 1 leaving. And stay tuned. There's no weather moving that way, so I would not be at all surprised if we see some more later on today. Keep your fingers crossed. Alaska Flight 18 heading to JFK. This flight diverted in a little bit ago from Portland, Oregon. I think it was JFK. It might have been Newark. I've seen a couple other flights divert to Pittsburgh in the last 5 or 10 minutes, so there'll probably be some more diversions, especially as that weather that was going through Philadelphia and Washington, D.C. that caused some weather issues down there as it begins to move north into the New York City area. And then the weather that was going to New York City is heading up towards Boston, so definitely a chance to see some more today. And down at the other side, we have the Delta A321, flight 1487, lining up for 24 left for Atlanta. Looks like there's a severe thunderstorm warning for the Newark area, and flights are starting to circle again, so the 737s are going to the gate. I don't know if the 757 is going to leave right now or what, so we'll probably go back over to the other side, and hopefully we'll get some more diversions.
Mike 9, Charlie Kilo, Cleveland, search, expect runway 24 right. So, runway 24 left, line of wait, just wait and trail station. That got released to Newark, and I heard ATC saying that when there's a diversion, it's supposed to be noted that it's a diversion in the notes, and they didn't put that in there, and I don't know if that's impacting your departure as well, but that was a factor with 2213.
Southwest 621 heading to Denver, Louisiana 1.
Okay, understand completely. Let me see what I can work out, and I'll get back to you.
Well, apparently the United 75 is going to go. So we'll get them departing. Aer Lingus is inbound. Southwest 6577 heading to Phoenix. Have a feeling that 75 is going to take off, go up, and hold with more weather moving into the New York area. It's flight 419. They're going to try it. 757 heading back to Newark as Newark just went into a ground stop. You never know. We might see these guys back in a little bit. All right, we'll try our best to get them. This is Aer Lingus 98 Kilo. They're inbound from Dublin. They are early tonight. A321neo.
It should be just another couple of minutes, but I believe our tick was right now. Yeah, 5 minutes after that time. Just give me a shot. Let me know when you're ready to taxi. Going down the foot, we've been pretty good to give them whatever we need. Just let me know when you're ready to taxi. I'll get your time. 419 from right heading 060, when able directing close. And when able direct ping forward United 419.
Copy that. So I do have a gate for you, 2491. We're going to bring you to Charlie 17.
That's Papa, runway 24 left, then contact ground point 7. Papa, left cross 24 left, ground on point 7, Shamrock, nice Charlie here, thanks very much, bye.
Just drove back over here to get the arrivals, and they just turned the field around, so we got to drive back over there. Alaska 216 inbound from Seattle. It's pretty cool. You can actually see the rain bands over there moving in. American Eagle 5553, CRJ inbound from Washington Reagan. There's a Japan Airlines 777 holding. Could you imagine? Saw someone post, I think it was the National Weather Service, that cold air funnels might be possible today with the weather moving in. Kind of look like a tornado. They're non-tornadic funnel cloud. Haven't seen any yet today, but we'll keep an eye on it, especially since it's a lot cooler up here than what it was yesterday. Just see rain bands so far, but hey, we'll keep an eye out. You never know. Delta 2113, Airbus A320 inbound from Atlanta. Got an Alaska flight that'll be diverting in, and we'll see if we get anything else over the next couple of hours. We also got a new special livery that popped up a couple of minutes ago that wasn't on the list from earlier, so hey. Been a pretty good day up here so far today. Fortunately, the weather forecast for Monday is not looking as promising for the eclipse. Still hoping to do a live stream. We'll have to wait and see what the weather does. And if we're going to end up traveling or staying home or what ends up happening. Frontier 1696 inbound from Las Vegas.
1 Frontier 2517, good day.
United Airlines 1544 inbound from Houston. Check out these rain curtains over here. Should be the Key Bank Falcon. American Eagle Flight 5732, ERJ 145, inbound from Chicago.
What's your destination? Extend into LaGuardia. What's your destination? North. It is at Newark. Pitch ground stop till 2300. So take your set that crew, which is fine. You should still intact.
Sounds like the ground stop has been extended. Keep your fingers crossed.
231 Tower Wind 050, runway 6 right, clear for takeoff.
Southwest 2320. I forget where they're coming in. The controllers talk about more diversions.
31 contact 27134.9.
American Eagle 4485 inbound from Reagan National. All right, we got another diversion inbound, Alaska 398, diverting out of Seattle. This flight was going into Newark. right, well, they are letting the diversion flights go, so we're going to go ahead and head on out and get some dinner. And if we get another alert, we'll try to get up here to catch it. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, comment down below, share with all your friends. Got to get ready to work tomorrow. We're going to keep an eye out to see what might come in with the women's Final Four here this week. And we might start seeing some private jets and stuff like that coming in tomorrow. So we'll see what happens. We'll keep an eye out for those. And then there is a special livery that's supposed to come in tomorrow night that if that stays, we'll try to get up here to get that for you. There's another special livery that's inbound tonight. It's the American Reno Air Retro, but it still has not taken off yet out of Charlotte. It was supposed to take off about an hour ago. So we're going to probably just go ahead and head on out and call it a night. And we'll probably do a live stream maybe on Friday night. Hopefully the weather holds. We can do that live stream on Monday for the eclipse. So looking forward to bringing that to you. Hope you have a great rest of the night. And we'll catch you next time from Cleveland Hopkins International Airport. Have a great night, everybody.